Oh yeah.
Did y'all get a good night's sleep?
No.
You didn't. Why? Oh. So, what was your time yesterday?
3:40 something.
3:46. We did everything. We touched one cone.
2 cones.
Touched 2 cones. That's what we're gonna miss.
In the glacier?
Yeah. Ice coffee.
All right, Ella. We're gonna go slow for the first 2, a squeeze faster for the next one, and then we're gonna go fast for the butt, medium for the rollers or the gully. We're gonna do medium for the crevasses, really slow for the ice geysers, medium for the bouldering rocks, medium for the other ones, and medium for the other one. Sound good?
Okay,
go.
You guys got this.
Well, you gotta wait for a while.
Have fun. But you guys got this. Have fun. We've already got it.
It's nice having that run in the bag now.
Say again.
Yeah, it's okay. Our first obstacle is a little to my left, so I'm going to need you to push on your side.
Huh?
Gloria watching?
Yes.
All right.
Do you need the plastic part for the buckle?
The what? Oh yeah, I do.
I don't know how it goes on.
Well, just do it very well.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's not tire ourselves out. Parish Episcopal. Parish Episcopal School. Yeah, sure. If you gotta rest, we'll rest. I mean, it's really.
You have a highly skilled welder. You are talking to him.
Hi.
Those are your welds?
Yeah, most of them.
They're great.
Thank you.
Chromoly steel?
Don't look at all of them.
Junior in high school. Wow. The other students taught him how to weld. They just teach each other.
Yep.
the way you do it. Yep. They spend more time welding than I do, so it's just
a lot more.
They're way better at it than I am.
No, the triangulation's great. It's really, really good looking.
Thank you.
Thank you. You good with the cord?
It's a little bit down my back. If you could slide it towards my arm more, that'd be great.
How's that?
That's what we're looking for. As if felt needed.
You didn't have to monkey around with your drivetrain either when you folded it up.
Nope.
No,
That's
a lot of teams struggle with that.
compartmentalized
Coupling, when
in
you
each
fold it,
section.
yeah, the chain gets funky and spend a lot
Yep.
of time.
The front and back half are just two separate entities.
I'm betting 25, 24 seconds to put it together.
18.
Yeah.
Thank you. You know where I found that? One of the people on my street was throwing out a kid's bike. And that was on, that's why it's sun damaged. And I was like, I think I need that. Woo! Oh yeah, we're gonna want this. I'm turning on the. Woohoo! The camera's on? On my camera, I think it's on.
Yeah, it's blinking. That would be nice.
Not yet. I gotta put my helmet on. Just making sure the GoPro's running.
Hey, you guys got this.
You don't gotta keep telling me
Have
that.
fun, stay loose. Do a great job.
You ready for this, Ella?
I want to see the bell. Your bell.
Ride started.
Great.
My blue? Yeah,
Your
blue. And I
blue.
got silver or white on
Bling
this
bling.
side.
We got silver over here. Oh my goodness. Then we have rainbows right here.
I even labeled my shoes.
Uh-oh. Right?
Oh my god, I should have done that. It's all the way.
No, it was like that yesterday. It was fine.
Doors closed. I wrote on one side. I couldn't write this side up to start with the starter. Rover 1, 4, 3.
Nervous. Woo!
You guys got this? Piece of cake.
All right, guys, I'm going to say get ready, get set, go. When I say go, you'll hear this. Take off. Any questions?
No, sir.
Here we go. Rover 1, 4, 3. Get ready, get set, go.
I stopped pedaling and I'm braking. We're good. Whee! All right, you ready for this? 30 seconds. Chicken jockey! Walk, please. No running. No running. $130. Okay, we gotta get locked for the slalom. Hi, Vance! Hi! No running, you're gonna wanna walk. 2 minutes.
Everything.
I am shifting to my lowest gear so we don't outrun ourselves. I am tired.
Yeah. Alright, that's it. Are you good?
Plenty, yeah. How are you in the front?
We're fine, we're fine.
Keep the front where you need it. I'll move.
Okay.
How am I back here?
You're good, you're good. Go forward, slow.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, keep going. Good.
This looks like a bad one.
Yeah.
You steer for yourself.
Okay.
How? I'm gonna hit, aren't I?
Yeah, bounce a little bit. A little bit more. Alright, I think we're good. Go forward.
How are you in the front?
Okay, bounce more. Okay, that's good. Okay, go here. Slow. We're good. Alright, we're good.
Watch your front.
Good. Maybe bounce a little bit. This way, just okay. Yep. That's good. Okay, good. Okay.
Keep yourself where you need it.
Yeah. Alright, we're good. Okay. You're gonna need to bounce a little bit.
Okay.
You can take a break. Okay.
How's that?
Go a little bit. A little slow. Forward. Okay, okay, bounce. So we're not a cone. Okay. A little bit more. We're so close. Okay. Watch everyone. We good?
Oh. Let's get out of here. Walk.
Come on!
We got the cones, right?
Yes!
Yeah, I'm tired!
Oh my gosh, we're winning.